Hey guys, it's your girl J to the ODY. It's that flavor, baby. Yes. And I'm back with another video, you guys. So today I'm doing a little get ready with me. I told you guys on my last vlog that I was going to come with something on the Wednesday that's a little bit different. So yeah, so I decided to um, use this get ready with me. This was on the weekend I was going out. So right now I'm just doing my baby hairs. Of course, you gotta get them laid back out. So I'm using, um, what's that thing called again? Lada, girl, mousse. I'm using mousse, and I'm just trying to lay back down those baby hairs. You know, when they're already laid in the beginning, then you don't really have that much work. So you're just kind of just putting them back in place with the mousse. So that's what I'm doing. And then I'm just going to tie it back after that because we're going to do our makeup, of course. So we're going to tie it back to dry. Ooh, I'm so sorry, you guys. That was gross. So I'm just combing back my baby hairs. Or edges. What do you guys call them? Baby hairs or edges? Laying my baby hair, laying my edges. I don't know. But we getting them right. Girl, that was a little struggle right there, Usher. Okay, put in more. I use a lot of mousse, so I go through it a lot. I am running through it a lot. And you know what? Every freaking Walmart is sold out of mousse. That is crazy. Like, who's buying all the mousse out here? Every single Walmart sold out of mousse. Like, it's a struggle. So now I'm just combing the hair back because I'm going to put on the melt band. So I'm just getting the hair out of the way to prepare for that. Look at my this hair has been installed since before Valentine's Day. Reinstalled. It's holding up good, and I'm not even taking care of it because I know I'm taking it off. That's crazy. Oh, sing, girl. Okay. All right. So now, oh my gosh, ghetto. So I'm sharpening my little ass brown pencil. Don't worry, guys. I got a new one, so we don't need to struggle like this anymore. So we're just laying out our eyebrows. Yes. So I like to like draw them first. Oh my gosh, you guys. I just woke up. I'm sorry. So we're just laying in the brows. So I like to start with like a unibrow when I'm doing it. So like I just draw. Like I don't worry about the space in the middle because I know I'm going to correct it after. I'll give you anything you want from me. Oh my god, you guys ignoring me. So now I'm doing the little thing in the middle. I'm just separating the brows. And then I'm cleaning up underneath. And I like to clean up on top. Because y'all see I be drawing my whole entire brow. I have no brows. Yeah, there. Okay, girl. All right. Okay, there we go. Girl, I pay close attention to detail because this is taking a minute. But you gotta clean it up and shape it at the same time. Huh? And I like to make sure my shit is symmetrical and looking good. Yeah, goody. Yeah, goody. That look good now. You can't stop on the top. Huh? Okay, so now we're just doing the top part the same exact way. Just carving out the brow. I don't know if me that talk to myself, me that sing. Must say that sing, yes, sir. Okay, and then we are still going. So that part, it's so hard to do it with my piercing, but I get it done. I get it done. All right. So now we're just kind of blending that all in because we don't want to leave no harsh lines on our faces because that is going to show in the makeup 100%, especially at that top. So we're just blending that in so that it can blend with the foundation when it goes on. All right. And we like to make sure the middle part gets a little tap tap too. Okay, now I am putting some concealer on my eye. Just blending that also in. I'm not doing any eye makeup. Honestly, this is my traditional, simple, easy makeup. So I do not do eye makeup with this look. I just go for a clean eye, which I like. So right now I'm putting on my liner. I didn't show you guys doing my liner because it's a freaking mess. I literally struggle when I'm doing my eyeliner, so I'm not about to have that on camera. Also my lashes too, but I'll show you guys a little bit of the struggle. That's enough. Cute. Yeah, goody. Yeah, so now, well, watch me, I watch a time, huh? I'm a sing too. Girl, hurry up, boy, you sing, huh? So I'm just putting some, what I call primer, face primer on my face. Gotta make sure that the makeup goes on nice and stays all night, period. So we're just putting the face primer on. I'm not giving you the name of these products because I'll do that in like a better get ready with me video. This one was so spontaneous and I don't remember the products and stuff like that. So it's like, so we will definitely, I'm going to have like a sit down one where I will give you guys the full products and everything. And it won't be a voiceover most likely. So, yeah, so right now I'm just putting my foundation on my face. On my foundation, I think I've shown you guys this before. I think in my one of my Vlogmas hauls, but this was the foundation from oh my gosh. It's on the tip of my tongue. That's crazy. Oh my god, just show it about Kanaguri. Oh my gosh, I don't remember, but yeah, I got it during thing. I got it from the cosmetic company, Too Faced. Too Faced, yeah, it's a Too Faced um foundation. And nobody gonna ask me which one because I can't go bust my brain anymore. You could ask me I struggle, so I gotta ask me more questions. But I don't know which one. I will do that in the bigger video. But yeah, so now I'm just putting some concealer on my some highlighter, whatever, to make my highlighting. So this is how I draw on my little architectural lines and figures. And then we're going to blend it out. So far, we're getting there. We're getting, girl, you have to open up your mouth, so just get in there. Okay, so now we're blending that in. Blend it in. Blend it in, goody. You have to blend, make sure you blend good enough. Take out all those harsh lines. Nothing. Nothing, you know? Miss I sing so. Alright, goody. I like to blend, sweetheart. Okay, so now we are doing the contour. So we're contouring our nose by drawing two lines down, two thin lines down. Then we're also gonna do two lines on on either jaw, and then we're gonna go under our neck. Amy, I sing, you know. I sing out there. So now we're just blending it in. We're just blending that all in. I like to go into my brows or into my under my lids with it because, especially because I'm not wearing eye makeup, it kind of adds some definition to my eye. It really does, because if you notice just now, my eye was not look given what it's given now. Like, look again. Wait, let me show you. I'm gonna blend that side, yeah. Okay, girl. Hey, man, blending them like blending. Blend it good here. Yeah, so look at my item. Then I look at definition to me. I see what me look up. Look there. Yeah, so you have to add a little definition to it. The littlest things that make a big difference. The very small things. Now I'm just putting some setting powder under my eyes. I like banana powder. Turn down Rihanna Lodi. Goodie. Oh, you will give me copyright. I'm watching you, eh? May I skip her? Sorry, Riri, but me don't know if y'all give me copyright. I can't manage you another day, yeah? Anyway, so where am I now? Okay, so I did do the concealer already, so now I'm just highlighting or putting like a zoom in my eye. So, just look a something, look a shiny, look a something, something. Put it on the nose bridge. Don't go all the way down. Just put it right there in that between the eye bridge. And then look up on the tip like Tinkerbell, like, yeah, that would be like that. And then on the lip, you're going to put on the lip. And then, yeah, so now I'm just flat ironing my hair. You guys, we're almost done. So now I'm just flat ironing my hair while my setting powder is just setting in. I like to keep it on my face for a minute. Sorry. So yeah. So we're just flat ironing out. This hair is from UNICE, as you guys know. It's a 26-inch, 13 by 4 lace frontal unit. Oh, oh God, you guys, don't judge me. So I'm just flat ironing it. I didn't realize the flat iron was off, and that's the reason why it wasn't giving what it's supposed to give. But now I'm just gonna comb through it. Now I'm flat ironing it. Take time now. Take time now. Jesus Christ. You can tell me I run out of time because now me I get vexed. Yes, and then we'll start dry the flat iron. You're gonna see the difference with my flat iron on. You guys see when on. See when on there? Look there. Look there. I'll smoke. Look there. Nice. Nice. Yeah, goody. All right. Yeah, now I'm just hot combing in. This part's gonna be really quick. Gotta get that hot comb in. Gotta make sure it's laid. Then I'm spraying it with some shiny and stiffening spray mixture. So that's just gonna hold it all together. Watch me. Okay, so now we're putting on blush on our face. Gotta add a little color. Yeah, goods. Hey, girl. Add a little color. You see the color brighten me back up? Take out the ghostly look out of my face. Yeah, goody. And now we're just adding some more shimmery stuff. This one's a different type of shimmery. It's a little bit different. It's silver. It's from Anastasia, and they don't sell it no more. I don't know why I'm still using it, but I love it. It's my favorite highlighter, and me not top use it. So now I'm just doing my lip, just lining my lip with a dark brown pencil. Sometimes I do black too, but I do like dark brown or black or mixture of both. And I'm just lining my lip, just lining my lip, trying to get it, as pigmented as possible. There we go. Yeah, good ear. Okay. Now I'm trying to take off my head wrap so I can see these baby hairs. Is that what I'm doing? Girl, why you do that to your face for? Watch out! Watch out! You are feeling yourself, goody. Girl, I'm crying. Yeah, good. You're cute though. I'm not telling a lie. Yeah, so now we're just blending in the makeup onto the top of the hair because we are not going to be leaving the house looking a freaking mess. So you're just blending that all right up to the top. Make sure that, makeup is like a mask, as they would say. So if your mask, whether it's big or whatever, it's a lot or a little bit, make sure that your mask fully connect. You me I say, make sure say fully up on your face good in the partner left out. You hear me? Alright. So now we're just trying to get the stiffness of the baby hairs, get them to look more natural. So we're just combing back through them. They're already laid, so you're not have to do enough work. You're just trying to make sure say, them not stiff like board. You want to make them look natural. So you're just combing out all of that stiffness that you put into it. And it should lay properly like that. Yeah, good. Now we're just gonna set it all in with the Morphe setting spray. Yes, and I use a lot of it, but it's my favorite, and it's gonna hold me together all night down to the very morning. Trust me, I know. And we're just going in now with our lippy. Okay, you guys. So this lippy is from Flavor. You guys, this lip piece from Late Flavor Cosmetics. I've been using it for a while now. You guys, let me know what you think. Let me know if I should bring back this on the. I don't even know. But yeah, and that's my lip gloss from Fenty. It's a Fenty Beauty lip gloss that my good gal daughter buy me for Christmas because she a goodie. Yes, take care, mother. Straight right through. Yeah, gal, pretty. Yeah, you guys. So I will see you guys on the next video. My full look will be in my next vlog that will be coming out on. We'll talk about that later. See you guys.